Imagine waking up to a peaceful Himalayan landscape, and within minutes, a massive wall of water, mud, and rock comes rushing through the valley. This is what happened in Nepal.
The story begins high above the valleys. It is near the Nepal-Tibet border. Enormous glaciers dominate the landscape. Unstable slopes also dominate.
When that debris reached the river, it created a temporary natural barrier. Water began building up behind it.
Then, a massive section of ice and rock suddenly collapsed. The enormous mass plunged, dragging snow and rocks into the valley below. But this was never a permanent dam. As more water collected behind the debris, pressure continued to increase. The flood rushed through the valley with incredible force, carrying rocks, trees, mud, and debris downstream. Eventually, the unstable barrier failed. In a matter of seconds, an enormous surge was released downstream. For people living along the river, there was almost no time to react. Infrastructure was damaged, roads were cut off, and rescue operations became extremely difficult.
Scientists are investigating climate change. Rising temperatures contribute to melting glaciers.
But later analysis signal was actually associated with the enormous landslide and collapse itself. The Himalayas may look permanent and unchanging. They are constantly melting and reshaping themselves. When enormous stored energy, the consequences can be catastrophic. For more fascinating stories about our planet and the forces that shape it, subscribe to Unearth 8282.